How's it going, guys? It's your boy Levon here. I ordered me the Tuner Crate from Illiminate. So let's check this package out. It's wrapped really nice. I like that it has Illiminate on there. You know, it's almost like a collector in itself, just the box, and it's not even open yet. It took about, so I ordered this maybe 2 weeks ago. It took that long to come in, but you know, I think they hand make all these, so that's not too bad. Has Randy's S14, hashtag RIP. I should just write RIP right here. And then we got Kevin Jude's S2000. Looks like my S2000 outside, just no hard top. So we're just gonna say my S2000. All right, I need to open it. Oh, God. All right, now to open up this box. First off, we have right here, Auto Motion Connection, tickets and sales. AutoCon is April 29th, Sunday in Los Angeles Convention Center. If you guys are out in California, you know, you guys can go check that out. This is the other side of it. On here, I think we have an old school Mustang. Look, it has an FDRX7. And I cannot picture what the first car is, but there's some cars on there. Up next, I see we have wrapped in here is a hoodie. All right. We have an Illiminate hoodie. You know, if you guys watch their channel Illiminate, this is definitely their symbol right there. And under it says Tuner Crates. Pretty dope. It's a zip up hoodie, nice quality. On the back, it says loyalty. Check that out. Dope. Dope as hell. All right, on to the next one. All right, guys, this is blinker fluid. JDM brand, full synthetic. Extends bulb life, lubricates bulb synchros, max strength. Blinker fluid, guys. Blinker fluid. Directions: open your hood and locate your blinker fluid reservoir. Most vehicles will have this reservoir indicated by the green cap. Shake bottle well and remove cap. Proceed to LOL. Can't believe you're reading this. These are not real instructions. You just got trolled. Penis. What? Disclaimer, this is not a real blinker fluid and is not actual automotive product to be used for general maintenance. Do not drink. Shh, well, it's up to you. It's just colored water. Huh. I'll show you guys this colored water. This is actually what it looks like. Next up, we have a shirt. I think it's just like the hoodie, but it's in a straight gray shirt. It says loyalty. Also, Tuner Crates on the end of it by Illiminate. Check it out. And then up next, we have a 2002 Acura NSX Type R. Wide body at that. Check that out. Check it out, fellas. Pretty cool, eh? Ready? I guess it also comes with a spray bottle from Jay Leno's Garage. Advanced Car Care. Quick detail. Pretty cool. There we go, check that out. Quick detail from Jay Leno's Garage. We'll set that right there. And it comes with its own, you know, squirt, squirt, squirt. I'm not sure what you guys call that. This is my receipt. Oh, got me a Illiminate lanyard. Let me put these on some keys. Illiminate, oh, it just says Illiminate on both sides. That's pretty cool. Oh, there it is. The inside says Tuner Crate. I'm gonna have that upside down. So we got Tuner Crate and Illiminate. Black and white, goes with everything. That's dope. And then we got some Illiminate / Loyalty Tuner Crates, air fresheners. I believe this might be black ice. Might be wrong. Nope, that's for sure black ice. We have some pretty cool Illiminate stickers in here / Tuner Crate collab. Pretty badass. We also have another Illiminate Tuner Crate sticker. Then we have Randy's RIP 240. This thing has so much detail in it. Then we have Kevin Jude's S2000. Check it out too. It's like that slammed life on the ground. Last but not least, guys, this is their poster. Pretty cool. But all in all, this package and box came in really neatly packaged, timely manner. I enjoy all the stuff that came in it. I'm definitely gonna put these stickers around. I'm not sure where yet, but I'll have places for them soon. You guys stay tuned to my channel. I do have some stuff upcoming. I've just been very busy, you know. I have work. I work every day of the week. I get out pretty late. By the time I get out, it's dark, so I don't really have much time to film. In the weekends, I'd be so tired, or I just don't have a lot of content. But I've been traveling a lot. Went to Austin, so I got some footage from there where I can show you guys right now.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot name. I can't buy me no weather rain. Rather go and buy ball man. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot name. I can't buy me no weather rain. Rather go and buy ball man. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot name. I can't buy me no weather rain. Rather go and buy ball mains.
See what happened.
Cover him. Go for him.
Oh shit. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, that was my first time at a car meet there, and you know what? They didn't let me down. So that was pretty cool. I might travel out to Austin more, visit some more cars out there. But like I said, stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This is Levon, and I'm out of here.